Okay guys, going back to Ask Scruff. It's a follow-on from the question I did earlier on lot sizes and pip. But let's flick it over and we'll have a little look. So, if I come back over into this, it's back to JB. Little salute to you, kid. Thanks, Scruff. Appreciate it. You're very welcome. It's what I'm here for. I'll always try and help where I can. Am I right in thinking lot size is equal to entire risk? Entry to stop and not pip? No. You may have misinterpreted what it is, or at least I believe I have. You may have done. So let's just take an example of a standard chart. I've just been marking this one out for you guys so you can see what's going on, blah, blah. And it doesn't matter what it is. But let's just have a little look at a scenario. So we've seen a drop here, for argument's sake. And you've identified this level as a possible good sort of buying situation. Okay. Why? Because we've just seen the break of the level. All right. And what else are we doing? You're also looking at a kind of retracement against this. So first of all, you need to evaluate what your trade is going to be. So there's your criteria using a fib. We're looking at the break. There's the 23 as an entry point. And your ultimate target is, say, the 50%. So if I just mark that in just to kind of highlight. So you're kind of looking for this area. All right. So we'll just drop that in aqua just so you can kind of see it. Okay. This is our entry point, this here. Okay. So in and around this area. So we'll take the top of here. Where are we looking to place your risk, your stop, or whatever? Now I stage, so I have a relatively wide stop. But if I was going all into market, I wouldn't be looking to go too far. So the first thing I'd look at is, well, I've got a level here that's going to protect it because my entry point is on the 23. And I've also got a swing point. So my kind of point of risk, if you want to call it that, I don't call it risk, I call it investment, is going to be in and around this box here. Okay. So we'll get rid of that. So I can see where the entry is, I can see where the exit is, and I can see roughly where the stop is going to be, or what you call risk. Okay. So the first thing we need to do is see whether it's worth it. So I'm entering here, and I'm going up there. So that's 927 points, or 92 pips, into this. So if I've got, as you can see, where we at 927. If I'm going 1 to 1, it's roughly the middle of the box. All right. So that's 1 on 1. All right. Tighter the stop, the better. But I like 1 on 1. So there is my target. Okay. So from here down into roughly the middle, we'll just say is 900 points or 90 pips. Okay. Hello, my love. Looking very pretty.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming to visit me. Are you making me a coffee?
No, I'm going out.
Oh, go on.
Oh, hurry up then.
Oh, I've been nice. I was looking at holidays for you and everything.
Oh, it looks like it.
I have,
I
here.
haven't drank that one.
See? Holidays. There you go. See? And yes, boys and girls, I am looking at it. See, there it is. What? No, yeah, go. Good girl. No, you don't, man. I need a coffee.
There's nothing to eat.
Sorry, boys and girls. Nothing's ever scripted here, and I need a coffee because we all know Scruffy likes a coffee. So what was I saying? So it's 900 points or 90 pips because 10 points is a pip, which is roughly how we work things out. If you're on a pound a point, right, which on the lot would be 0.1, okay? So a pound a point, if we put that up, is 0.1, like that. You would get, in this scenario, from there to there, 90 quid. If it was wrong, you would lose 90 quid, give or take, all right, depending on how you do it. So it's not maximum risk, it's how much the point is within the risk, if that's what you want to call it. So the idea is, look for an area on the chart where you want where you want to get out. You can't take any more. It's wrong. You've got to go. In this scenario, if we just pull that crosshair up again, you got in here, you know that's where your stop is, halfway. So I'll just highlight that with a line, just like so. Make it bright red so you can see it. Right. Price gets to that line, you're out. Your size is a pound a point, or 0.1 in lots. Comes down 90, you lose 90. You're right with the trade, which in this case it would have been because it was a retracement against there using the Kiley system. Enter. Out at the blue one, you make 90. I hope that kind of makes sense. I know sometimes when it gets to lot sizes and things, it gets a little bit confusing, but it's the distance divided by the size, okay, and that's how you work. And then what will happen is you'll find that you'll be able to work it out much easier. So if it's moving 10 pips against you, you want pound a point, it's £10 for you. Simple as that. I hope that helps. Anyway, as always, guys, I'm always here. Drop your questions in. You'll find them in the Discord under Ask Scruff. I'll go into it. It's in the Traders Clinic section, and I'll come to camera and I'll answer it best I can.